Hello, my name is Adib Kafabih. I'm from English department students. So here I want to show you the tutorial how to use the hot potatoes application. So here you can see the application. You just open it by clicking twice on this icon and wait a second until it opens it. Okay, here the first view of this application. So in here I just want to tell you about how to use the J keys. So you can click this, wait, and this is the first view of the J keys itself. Here there are the title, the question here, and the choice is the answer. So I want to insert the title. It's about the living room. So the questions here, it should be about the living room itself. I want to insert the question: who is sitting in the living room? Question mark. You can put your answer in this side. So there are 4 choices of your answer, but just one correct answer. I put the correct answer on the A. The correct answer will be the guess, yes, the guess. Okay, so on the next choice, it will be incorrect answer. Maybe you can put cat here, and then good, and the last is the ghost. Okay, after that you should be click the checklist here in the correct answer. Okay, and the last is how to save it. So you just need to click on this icon to create the web page. Click here and choose the file destination and insert the file name gs2 and click save button here. Yes, and click nothing to close it. Okay, your G quiz has been done. I hope I can help you to use this hot potatoes application by watch my videos. Thank you for the time.